Prolonging the shelf life of potato. How? Number 1. Simply use a piece of apple. Number 2. Let me show you to prove it. Here it is. Let us purchase potato from the market.
This process involves storing the potatoes in a paper bag along with the apple. This supposedly delays the potato from sprouting. To test the effectivity of this method, our group prepared 3 treatments. These treatments were observed every 5 days, the final day being the 15th day.
And then, prepare the materials for our 3 simple experiments. And we can now set this up.
Our treatment 1 will be negative control using plastic bag.
Our treatment 2 is positive control using paper bag.
The last is treatment 3, which is a paper bag and an apple.
And then, store them in a 30 degrees Celsius room temperature.
For all the treatments, the first step was to wash the crops involved. For the apple method, the apple also had to be washed. Next, they were laid down to dry. The crops can be pat dry with paper towels or ordinary towels to speed up the drying process.
After this, the potatoes were put in their respective treatment storages. The crops were to be stored away in a clean, dry, and cool area and would be checked after 5 days. Treatment 1 after 5 days.
After 5 days, the storage treatments were checked and evaluated. Treatment 1 showed early signs of sprouting as well as treatment 2.
Like treatment 1, the treatment 2 have shown signs of sprouting. Treatment 3 after 5 days.
Treatment 3 still only had the small signs of sprouting from when the potatoes were purchased.
Treatment 1 after 10 days.
After 10 days, the potatoes of treatment 1 already started to show larger sprouts, with treatment 1 having more predominant sprouts due to the moisture from the plastic bag.
Treatment 2 after 10 days. Treatment 2 also started to show larger sprouts along with the treatment 1. Treatment 3 after 10 days.
Treatment 3 remained with the same condition it was in on the day of the handling process.
Treatment 1 after 15 days. The 15th day or the final day of treatment 1 produced sprouts, molds, and rotting. Treatment 2 after 15 days. Treatment 2 only damaged one potato caused by sprouts and rotting, when other potatoes became soft. Treatment 3 after 15 days.
After 15 days, it can be seen that treatment 3 or the paper bag and apple combination still only exhibits the minuscule sprouts from when the potatoes were purchased. They have no new sprouts and the pre-existing ones did not increase in size. The potatoes were still in edible condition, outliving the apple. The fruit had to be disposed due to rot.
Conclusion and recommendation. T1. Due to the type of material used for storing, cellophane, moisture accumulated inside which causes disease development, mold, and rotting. T2. Potato tend to produce sprouts and it became soft. T3. As observed from the result, potato with a piece of apple had delayed sprouting.
Therefore, adding apple in storage of potato is effective in prolonging the shelf life of potato. According to Hickman 2019, apples are high ethylene source, while ethylene hastens the ripening process in some fruits, when kept at a suitable condition, inhibits sprouting in potatoes.
A study by Dye et al. From 2016 conducted an experiment on this matter and acquired positive results. Potato sprouting was inhibited by exogenous ethylene, which increased respiration, total sugar, glucose, and lowered fructose and sucrose. Furthermore, potatoes with lesser sprouting development had higher amounts of respiration, total sugar, total reducing sugar, and glucose, as well as lower fructose and sucrose. This exogenous ethylene prevented sprouting activity by influencing the tuber's carbohydrate metabolism.
Keeping potato in cellophane bag or paper bag alone under room temperature is not advisable and cannot prolong shelf life of potato.